Hello and welcome to Swindon. As this train leaves, we've got 800 with a service to Cheltenham Spa. Oh no, I forgot to plug my microphone in, so I will do that in a second, but this first clip you'll have to put up with awful audio. There we go. So I've been muted the whole time. So 800 I'm not sure it's a double track. One on the train. Yeah, London Paddington, 1340 London Paddington service. To Carmarthen, and it's going to be ran by 800 013. Now hopefully departing, the lights are going off. It's going to be 800 013. And there is another train on the back, which I'll get in a second, with a service to Carmarthen, I think it's at Wales? I think that's Wales, I'll put it up on the screen there. Can you stand over? As Davies gets in the way, we've got 802021, and I believe where's this going? London Paddington. From Cheltenham Spa, isn't it? Yeah. I'm keeping that in. Service to Bristol and it's going to be served today by 800 029. Christopher Dando, I think that's what you say. Actually, departing is 800 029, and there is one on the back I can see with a service to Bristol Temple Meads. on the back is 800-011. Excuse the shaky hands, but I've sort of lost the tripod. Well, I haven't lost the tripod, but we've moved to another platform. So this is 800-001. I think it's a service of Paddington. Yeah, London Paddington. Now, as Davies sits in my viewpoint there, thanks, we should have 158 747 for the service from Bristol Broadgate Street, Bristol and Davies, I believe. As Davies gets in my shot again, we have a cross-country Voyager running from, I believe it's Leeds to Plymouth. 221-128. Now we have a, I think it's from Severn Beach, going to Western Super Mud, and it's going to be 165-124. And out of nowhere, we have 220-015 and 220-011. Now we have 158-747. So it's back to Worcester Foregate Street place. So now we have, I can't read the number yet, but it is going to be a 158-762 with a service to Severn Beach. Now departing is the 158 to Severn Beach. I have no idea what this is, so I'm going to read it on the side. A02, as I get the camera in, A02, I believe. Yeah, A02, 020, and I'm guessing it's going to Bristol somewhere maybe. There's 165101, a service to Weymouth. Is a, I think, a 165? 166-219 with service to Bristol Leeds. Yep, completely empty. I knocked my bloody tripod again. Look at that. Country. Oh yeah, we got two trains at the same time here. You see that one just there. So it's first up 220-021 Piccadilly, and we have 166-206 that serves Cardiff Central. Right, now we have 166, or 165, sorry, 134, where the service to Fulton Abbey Wood, and I just blinded the man with my flash, which I didn't mean to do. Service to Gloucester, and it's going to be, I can't see the number yet, 166201. There are 2 trains passing, 221, so 165132 here, 221139 passes in the background there. Now, came out of nowhere, but it's going to be 158768 and 158766 to somewhere, don't really know, as we turn around and watch 166219 leave on its way to Avonmouth. Here we go. Bit of time later. Anyway, 166219 is our station. As it approaches, yay! 800, 802072. And with a good toot there as well. And for once I didn't shake, I suppose because it's tribal, but there you go. Right. I was going to Cardiff, by the way. Right, what's this? 158745 with a service to Worcester Foregate Street. No, not on Worcester Foregate Street. The Bristol Right. This is going to Bristol? No, is it? No, this is a Plymouth service, yeah. So it's going to be 220024. Service to Plymouth. Who knows where that's come from?